In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lenovo Stylus pen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a stylus pen, any model from Lenovo, is extremely simple. I'm going to be covering the two main models. This one that might be included with your tablet purchase will need batteries inserted. So for this particular model, you will need to insert a AAA battery. For the Pen Plus model, you will be charging it using a USB-C cable, so I'm going to cover that one shortly. But for this one, like I said before, you unscrew the cap at the back, and then you insert a AAA battery. There might also be an insulation tab here that must be removed before using it. So once you place it in here with the correct polarity, you are good to go. Now for this pen model, you will be charging it using a USB-C cable instead. Usually this cable will be included, but if it is not, then just grab a random USB-C cable and then wait for it to charge sufficiently before attempting to connect. This one will be connected by pressing this button down for a few seconds, and the connection will be established over Bluetooth. For this other model, as soon as you insert the battery on the pen, it will be automatically set up and connected. So if you want to double check, you can go over to the settings, go into pen and keyboard, and you will get additional instructions on what to do. So like I said before, either press the button or insert the battery for it to automatically power on. Once you press the button on the Pen Plus model, this light at the back will begin flashing, indicating that it is looking for devices to pair with. And now you should get a pop-up like this. Lenovo tap Pen Plus, choose the option to connect, and now the pen will be linked to your tablet. You can now enable or disable specific options, you can see the battery levels, and so on. Very simple to use. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.